You can see that diode is very strong, no hot, very strong. You can see the wire, electric wire. This is the transistor G9202. This is 10 ampere. 0 10 ampere. So this is 20 ampere diode. Let's go to see how to make. Let's go to make the diode. We have to take two diodes for making the voltage AC to DC. We're going to make AC to DC voltage. This is AC voltage 0 12 12. AC voltage, voltage, AC voltage. This is the transformer. AC output is 12 0 12. Let's go to make DC voltage. We have to take two diode for making DC. You can see the symbol like that. Then right, this will come here and that's one here. This is the direct. So this is plus, this is minus DC. Let's go to using this transistor diode. This is 6 ampere and another one also 6 ampere, so it can make output 12 ampere maximum. It can output 12 ampere, and this diode is 94 volts. Now we are going to use the transistor diode. This is a rectifier. Okay, we can see the symbol is like that. So this is positive AC. So AC will become here AC and here AC. This is output plus DC. The negative wire will come direct, and the diode rectifier will be here. Okay, then that side, this one will go this side. The positive come from the middle leg. This is the positive voltage, and that's one negative voltage. We also can use heatsink for this transistor. 10 ampere, 10 ampere. So together 20 ampere. This transistor can make output 20 ampere. How many voltage is there? This is almost 12 voltage, and that side also almost 12 voltage, right? This is AC voltage. We are going to make it DC, so we're going to use this transistor, okay, for making DC. Okay, this you can see now it's makes DC. The transistor makes the voltage DC. Now we're going to check the DC again. The DC voltage. The 5 got. You can see that diode is very strong, no hot, very strong. You can see the wire, electric wire. This is the electric wire. This is the capacitor. I'm using the capacitor for testing the filter voltage. Let's go to check. The voltage making short. It looks it's short. Let's go to checking direct. Let's see the driver. So still now the transistor is okay, no hot. So if we use this transistor for making the AC voltage to DC, it will be good for us. The transistor is very strong and very powerful. You can use this transistor for your making battery charger or high ampere unit or anywhere. You can use this transistor. This diode is also good, but not like that. This transistor is very good, better than this transistor. You can see our my screwdriver. You can see that diode is very strong, no hot, very strong. You can see the wire, electric wire. This is the